everybody. This is my homework. Excuse me, can you give me a hand? Of course. What is it? It's a new piano. Wow! Can you play the piano? Oh no, I bought it for my daughter. Does she like play the piano? Oh yes. Nice to hear that. How long has she played piano? For 5 years. Wonderful. Does she like the guitar? Oh no, I guess so. Do you remember Sarah? Certainly. She is getting married. No shocking. She is too young to marry. I see, but she has a baby. Oh my God! I know how it feels, but me too.